This is a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette. It has a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, a manual transmission, and all new tires. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, 19-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 22,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Courtesy Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1410 West Pine Street in Hattiesburg.